first met you at a singing when I was just 16. You took the time to share with me the reason why you sang. You said the road's not always easy, but God is ever true. You said to share the good things that He has done for you. You became my heroes of the faith, soldiers of the cross, singing out the grand old story. Jesus is the lost. Now it's time to lay your armor down and pass the torch to all the heroes of the faith, soldiers of the cross. I just got the news this morning that you have slipped away. It seems my heart was broken, it couldn't ever sway. But then I saw with spirit eyes what a legend you must have made, running to the arms of Jesus, finally home to stay. We are the heroes of the faith, that soldier of the cross, singing out the grand old story. Jesus is the lost. Now it's time to lay your armor down and pass the torch to all the heroes of the faith, soldiers of the cross. You became my heroes of the faith, soldiers of the cross.